Okay, boys and girls, so we are here in week 7. This is in our language arts course under reading, and this is your weekly overview. So when we open Monday's folder, you can see that we will have a live lesson on Monday, and you are going to print the graphic organizer that you find right here. It even says in parentheses here, print, you will use this all week. We will be going over this during tomorrow's lesson. After you work on that day 1 section of the graphic organizer, you're going to read independently for 20 minutes. You need to choose a nonfiction text. If you do not have a nonfiction text at your house, you picked up that Wonders textbook from school before we got started this year, and there are plenty of nonfiction text included in that book. After you read a nonfiction text, then you are going to complete the journal entry discussion board. Make sure you include all 4 parts to earn full credit. The discussion board is located here. After you do the discussion board, you're going to watch Vocabulary Day 1, and then you are going to complete the color words activity for just the 3 words that you were introduced to today. You have Monday and Tuesday to complete that activity. Now let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday, you are going to attend a live lesson at 9 o'clock. And just like yesterday, you're going to use this text, Animal Senses, and your graphic organizer. It's the same one that you printed yesterday. However, today you are working to complete day 2 on your own. I will have a recorded lesson tomorrow where I will go over day 2 of your graphic organizer. After that, you need to watch the day 2 vocabulary video and then complete your color words activity from yesterday if you need to. Finally, you're going to read independently for 20 minutes. Let's go into Wednesday. Now, boys and girls, I told you that I'm going to be out Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the first thing you are going to do is watch the recorded lesson of me. I'm going to be discussing the text and then reviewing the graphic organizer that you completed yesterday on your own. Then you are going to scroll down here where you will complete this Animal Senses Taste discussion board. That's right, we're going to learn about how animals use their sense of taste to help them survive. So I'm going to be prompting you to ask questions and think about what we're reading as I go through in this video, and then you have this response you will complete. On your own, you're going to complete day 3 of the graphic organizer. I will go over that work tomorrow on Thursday. Then you have the day 3 vocabulary video, and then complete the color words activity for those new 3 words that are presented in the video today. If you need to, you can have time tomorrow to complete that activity. Finally, you're going to read independently for 20 minutes. Let's take a look at Thursday. So we have another recorded lesson. Again, I'm out today, and I am going to be discussing the text with you again, prompting you about your thinking as I'm reading. And then I'm also going to review day 3 of the graphic organizer that you completed on Wednesday. After that, you're going to use that same graphic organizer to complete day 4 on your own. You will need to have access again to this text, and you should have that graphic organizer completed and filled out for day 4. Then you are going to watch the day 4 vocabulary video and complete your color words from yesterday if you need to. Please note that you are going to upload your completed color words for all 6 words. You will upload that right here to this assignment. Let's take a look at Friday. So you will have a recorded lesson where I go over day 4 of your completed graphic organizer. After that, I think you're going to really enjoy this discussion board post. We've learned so much about how animals hear and see and taste and smell and touch, and this is going to be an opinion response where you tell me which of the 5 senses was the most interesting to learn about and why. Remember, boys and girls, you have to include evidence from the article, just like you're doing in writing, to support your opinion. Then you are going to review your vocab words from week 5 and week 6 and complete the vocabulary quiz. Finally, down here, you do have a vocab video. Day 5 vocab videos are typically a review of words that you've previously learned. So that wraps up the week, guys. If you have any questions after watching this overview video, please let me know. Thank you.